Crash Course on New Zealand Culture, an examination of the unique culture of New Zealand, including the haka, traditional arts and crafts, and Maori cultural practices. New Zealand is a country that boasts a rich and unique culture that draws upon its indigenous Maori roots, as well as its more recent European influences. From the traditional haka dance to the contemporary art scene, New Zealand has something for everyone to enjoy. The Maori people have lived in New Zealand for over 1,000 years, and their culture is deeply embedded in the fabric of the nation. The haka, a traditional Maori dance, is performed at important events, including sports games and cultural celebrations, and is known around the world for its powerful and intimidating presence. Additionally, Maori artwork, carvings, and tattoos are highly regarded for their intricate designs and spiritual significance. In addition to its Maori roots, New Zealand has a thriving contemporary art scene. The country is home to many talented artists, musicians, and writers, and has produced some notable figures such as Lord, Taika Waititi, and Kirite Kanawa. New Zealand's vibrant film industry has also garnered international recognition with movies such as the Lord of the Rings trilogy and the Hobbit series, both of which were filmed in New Zealand. New Zealand's cuisine is also worth exploring, as it draws upon a range of cultural influences. The traditional hangi, a Maori feast cooked in an earth oven, is a must-try for visitors. Additionally, New Zealand's wine industry has grown in popularity in recent years, with many vineyards offering tours and tastings. Here are the top 12 popular cultures in New Zealand. Maori culture. Haka dance. Contemporary art scene. Traditional Maori art and carvings. Maori tattoos. New Zealand music. Film industry. Literature. New Zealand wine. Hangi feast. Kiwiana, popular culture unique to New Zealand. Sporting culture. In summary, New Zealand is a country with a rich and diverse culture that is influenced by its Maori roots and European heritage. From traditional practices such as the haka to the contemporary art scene and unique cuisine, New Zealand offers a unique cultural experience for all visitors. And now, without further ado, here is a poem and song dedicated to New Zealand's culture. Poem. New Zealand's culture, a blend of old and new. A land where the haka dance is powerful and true. Maori art and tattoos, intricate designs with meaning. Contemporary art scene, talented artists gleaming. Literature, music, and film industry thrive. Kiwiana, unique pop culture, keeps the culture alive. Hangi feasts, New Zealand wine, a culinary delight. Sports culture, passionate fans cheering with all their might. New Zealand's culture, a fusion of past and present. A vibrant and dynamic force, a true cultural testament. Song. Verse 1. From the land of the long white cloud. A culture unique, vibrant and proud. From the haka's fierce and powerful beat. To the art of the Maori, so intricate and neat. Chorus. New Zealand's culture, so diverse and rich. From past to present, it's a story to pitch. With traditions and practices all its own. It's a culture to cherish and to be shown. Verse 2. The sound of the taonga poro fills the air. Telling stories of the land, so rare. The Kapa Haka group moves in unison. Honoring ancestors, their culture, and wisdom. Chorus. New Zealand's culture, so diverse and rich. From past to present, it's a story to pitch. With traditions and practices all its own. It's a culture to cherish and to be shown. Verse 3. From weaving to carving, their skills are profound. Creating masterpieces that astound. The poi dance, the waiata, and the poi song are part of the culture, where they belong. Chorus. New Zealand's culture, so diverse and rich. From past to present, it's a story to pitch. With traditions and practices all its own. It's a culture to cherish and to be shown. Outro. New Zealand's culture, so vibrant and unique. It's something that's always worth a peek. with a deep connection to the land and sea. It's a culture that fills our hearts with glee. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences New Zealand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to New Zealand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Hub Metaverse team.